Hey, welcome to PropStream tutorial brought to you by reiDataKing.com. So, if you're interested in PropStream or you have PropStream, subscribe to this channel. We're going to be releasing multiple tutorial videos every single week. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find cash buyers. So there's two ways to find cash buyers. Number one is to search for a general area of a city or a county or zip codes. And the second way is actually if you're looking at a subject property that maybe you're going to wholesale, maybe you're comping out, then you can actually find those cash comps. I'm going to be showing you both of those. So in this one, I'm going to show you using multiple zip codes, just like I did on the vacant houses. You can run your zip code, and if you're looking at multiple zip codes, you can separate them by a comma. And it's hard for me to talk and type at the same time. Right, and so you don't press enter, you just see what the result is and you press it. And then once this comes up, it's going to show you all the properties within that area, but of course that is irrelevant if I'm looking for cash buyers. So I'm going to go over here to filter, and then for cash buyers I'm going to do quick list, and I'm going to go down to, I passed it, cash buyers. Okay, owner occupied. If I'm looking for fix and flippers, buy and hold people, anybody who I want to wholesale properties to, or if I'm an agent and I have a prospect that needs to sell cash, of course, PropStream is amazing for real estate agents. We use it here in our office, both for wholesaling, fix and flipping, and as an agent. So I'm going to go owner occupied, no. Occupancy status, I don't care. Property characteristics, let's just say I'm looking for residential single families. So here, property classification, go residential. Property type, single family. I don't care about bedroom, bathroom. You may, there's a lot of different specifications you can add. MLS status, I don't care. Again, I'm looking for cash buyers. Preforeclosure, I don't care. Ownership info, if I'm looking for buyers who bought within the last year, within the last 2 years, something like that, I'm going to leave minimum open, but I'm going to have max. And I'm going to do a maximum of 1 year. Owner type, I'm going to leave that open. I don't care if they're individual, corporates, a trust. Maybe one owner is a person's name and the other owner is an entity. That's what makes this going to be. So I'm going to leave that open. I don't care about sales price. Maybe you do. Maybe you're in an area where you have hood houses in one area and another block over you have nice homes. So we have a lot of that here in Fresno. But I'm going to leave sales price open. Ownership info, you already have that it's absentee, so that doesn't matter. Maybe you want to target out-of-state cash buyers, out-of-county cash buyers. You can select that, but I'm going to leave it open. And it's cash, so to me, none of this really matters. Valuation, equity, so that's it. And so my criteria is already selected. Bam, look, I have 118 possible cash buyers that I can try to cold call, mail, anything I want to do. I'm going to add to the list. I'm going to create this new marketing list, and I'm going to call it new cash buyers. Again, I cannot type today, cash buyers. Bam, that is saved. Look at that. Wow. So come over here. If you want to export it, go to My Properties. And in this area, marketing lists, I'm going to go down to, you can see I have a lot of lists. New cash buyers. So I can either initiate a marketing campaign for emails, postcards, whatever I want, or I can just export. So I'm going to export these. Bam. So I just go over to my downloads, and I would have that CSV file there that can then be skip traced, or I can skip trace it from within PropStream. Their skip tracing is pretty good. But to do the individual, if I'm looking at a house, I'm going to buy. Actually, this is a house that I just listed. But let's just say I was talking to the seller. I was kind of curious to see what a cash buyer might pay for it. Actually, real quick, if you look at MLS details, you've got all the MLS details, my contact info, my cell phone's on there. I'm not going to show that to you, but you can look it up, obviously. But once you're in property details, if you want to see what has sold around there, you click comparables. Here you have MLS and public record. If you hit cash buyers here, this will just show you in that general area. Right, and this will go back a couple years, but of course you can filter it down. You can arrange by sale date here, property type, sale amount, all those kinds of things. And you could do this as well. The date range, the minimum, maximum, square footage, if you're trying to find something that's comparable. If you have a 2-1 and you're looking to see who else is buying 2-1s, whatever's clever, whatever you want. That's cash buyers. Of course, you can jump in there, look at bank owned. You can see some other vacants in that neighborhood or that general, it looks like it's probably about a 2-mile radius or so, but you can, actually 1 mile right here. So you can shrink that down, increase it, whatever you want. You can look at free and clears. Once you've comped out a property, maybe you want to start cold calling other houses, other potential sellers in that neighborhood. You can do that. Super, super simple. That is the power of PropStream. This is how you find cash buyers, both in searching an area or looking at comps. If you're open to a 7-day free trial, if you don't have it, it's going to be in the description or in a comment, or you can go to reiDataKing.com. That'll take you to the 7-day free trial. PropStream is the king of data in real estate. It's phenomenal for wholesalers, fix and flippers, landlords, real estate agents. You have so much data right at your fingertips. You got to get it. Get that trial. Again, subscribe to this channel, like the video. We're going to be dropping multiple PropStream videos a week. This channel is strictly dedicated to PropStream tutorials. So stay tuned and see you next time.